everyone, my name is Armani and I am the second year student of Masters of Cognitive Neuroscience. Now, one tip I want to share on how to excel in this program. Very important, planning. Planning is crucial because I am actually taking this program as a part-timer and I also do have a full-time job. I need to know which assignment to prioritize and also when to do the work. And also start early, do not do it last minute. That is all. Welcome to Cognitive Neuroscience and enjoy the program. See ya!
Hi, I'm Nadia and I'm a second year student of Master of Clinical Psychology. I want to give you guys one tip, and that is don't forget to have fun because we're only humans and we're in the field of understanding other humans. On that note, I'd like to welcome all of you guys to USM and Sains KL, and may you all have a fruitful and pleasant academic journey. Bye!
Hi, my name is Mala. I'm a second year student for Masters of Science teaching maths. The course content are in-depth and rich with numerous maths concepts. Dedicating certain hours per week and consistency helped me to overcome the challenge. Finally, I would like to welcome all of you to USM and Sains KL. May you have a fruitful and pleasant academic
Hi,
year.
my name is Hashim Ismail. I'm a second year student from Master of Sustainable Development Practice. Throughout my 1 year academic journey with USM with Sains at KL, I've learned a lot about maintaining and developing a project while trying to achieve its sustainable goals. So with that, I hope that you all will enjoy your academic journey with USM and Sains at KL. Welcome. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Frankie. I come from Indonesia. Why I choose USM in IMC program? Because they have many of the professional lecturer and also my classmates with the working experience, so that it can be share knowledge more better for me. So why do you waiting for? Come with me, join the USM KL.